Alright, so back with another video. We're gonna be looking at the charts as always. So today I'm just gonna do things a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go through some of the trades that I took during the week. Obviously I'm not gonna go through all the trades that I took. Um, but I'm just gonna go through the trades that I took, which I posted on TradingView. So by the way, this is my TradingView profile. This is my TradingView username. If you guys want to check me out, you can go check me out there and follow me as I do share some ideas. Obviously I'm not going to share all the ideas that I see. I'm not going to share everything, but I'm just going to try to be as consistent as I am, as I can be, and try to share as many ideas as I can that are going to be helpful to other people. So this is a cool thing that TradingView has. You can actually just share your ideas and publish your ideas to your profile, and just so that other traders can see. And yeah, so this is one of the cool things that I find on TradingView. So, but and also one other thing is that I've recently been posting these ideas on a consistent basis. So as you guys can see, this week I'm just gonna go over the trades or the ideas that I published. So these are the ideas that I have on TradingView on my profile. So I'm just gonna go through all these ideas. Okay. All right. So starting from the 16th of July, which is I think it was on Monday. So this is the first trade for gold which I posted this week. This is the first idea that I shared on TradingView. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just look at it and then explain to you guys what I saw for me to take the trade, if I took the trade or not. Because some of the ideas that I share I don't execute because the setups don't really make sure for me to take trades, or I don't really get the confirmations that I'm looking for me to execute my trades. So I'm just gonna go over and look at this one, which is called. Why is it taking so long to load? Okay, yeah. So this is the setups. This is the setup that I had. As you guys can see, also my comments for taking the trade. As you guys can see down there, I said from looking at the chart, gold is on an uptrend. We just broke above resistance and retested it. So I was talking about this resistance. If I still remember very well, I think I did a video where I explained how I went about taking this trade. So these are the results from the trade. Uh, as you guys can see, it was a winning trade. So I'm just gonna go over to the charts and kind of just look at the setup. So super charts. Yeah, I'm gonna go to super charts and kind of just go over um, what is gold. There we go. This is the trade that I took, and yeah. So as you guys can see, this is the setup. Uptrend on an uptrending channel. We had just broken above this resistance and came back and retested it. I didn't get that entry at the first retest, so the market actually gave me a chance to re-enter again, because as I scaled down on 15 minutes, we actually had a mid-term zone which was created by the market and respected. So this is where I took the entry, and yeah, so there was just a simple breakout retest and a continuation of a trend on gold. This is the trade that I took. So it was a winning trade, which it went pretty well. Not gonna lie, it went pretty well. So just gonna go over another trade that I took. So I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be changing, going to the charts and going to my profile also, so that I can show you the ideas that I took. So go to my profile, and we're gonna go over to the second idea that I posted. July 17th. Okay, GBP. This is another idea that I posted, another idea that I shared, and also this one I think it went pretty well. As you guys can see there, I said GBP moving on a bullish trend, broke above structure and retested, looking for a continuation to the upside. This is a similar setup to the one that I got on gold, similar trade. So this is how it went. So it was a winning trade, and this one actually almost hit my stop loss. So it was a winning trade, and I'm just gonna go through over to the charts and show you guys the setup. Well, why does it keep on going back to USD CAD? So where is GBP AUD GA here? So this, I think this was the trade, and the setup was looked something like this, if I still remember very well. Yeah. So this was the setup that I had. Go ahead and clone that, and so yeah. This was a winning trade, as you guys saw there. It was an uptrend breakout of of break above resistance. So we broke above resistance here, came back to retest, and then kind of rejected again. So we anticipated into a continuation to the upside. So which was another good trade that I took, and it was a winning trade. It went pretty well, so it was a win. Just gonna go over to another one. Uh, Go over to my profile again. Sorry, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. Um, so these two trades, I took them on the same day. As you guys can see, they were both taken on the 16th of July. So let's go over to USD CAD. This one, I think it went a little bit into profits and then went back up. So I was too impatient. I didn't actually wait to see the breakout kind of um I didn't wait to see the breakout get confirmed. So I just impulsively took the trade, mainly because I had other confirmations, but I knew there was a chance this might happen because the upward movement is very strong. So, and this resistance here is support is very strong. So this one, it was a losing trade. I did actually take the trade, so I ended up hitting stop on this one. So it was a loser. And if I actually still remember very well where the setup, how the setup looked like, I think it was, yeah, right about this level, if I still remember very well. But I did actually get a chance to take a buy again, which you guys can see here. So I got a chance to take a re-entry for a buy, and it actually went pretty well, as you guys can see. Mainly, I respected this support, which was initially a resistance, as you guys saw. As you guys can see, we broke above, came back, retested it, and went up. So this is how the setup looked like, because I remember I had something like this. Yes, I had something like this. So which is why I actually got in on the breakout of this, on a breakout, and because I saw that engulfing candlestick. What's going on? So this is what I had initially for me to take that sell. So this candlestick was the confirmation for me, but unfortunately, it just went a little bit into profits, came back, and then stopped me out. But it's whatever. Um, Remember, we don't control the market; we follow. So this is a losing trade. And remember, guys, are just some of the trades that I took during the week. So I'm not going to show you all the trades that I took, mainly because some of them I don't have. Um, I want to focus on the ones that I have on Trading View. So I'm just going to go back, and here's another idea that I had, but I didn't take this trade. So this was just a recording of me explaining what I was anticipating, so what I actually thought was going to happen. So this is just a video, but I didn't get the confirmations that I was looking for, but so I didn't take the trade. So this is actually the video, as you guys can see, to get a confirmation for an entry, and then look to buy. Stop loss just right below this zone, and then take profit would be up there. So this is a 1 to 2, which is 1 to 2 point. It's almost 1 to 3, so it's a good idea. It's a good risk to reward ratio. So this is a trade idea that I have currently. So yeah. So I ended up not taking the trade because I didn't get the confirmations that I was looking for. So this was Euro USD. So I'm just gonna go over to AUD JPY, which I shared. I think it was yesterday. Yes. Um. So this one actually, I did not take the trade. Also, it was just an idea that I had. But I'm just quickly gonna go over to my charts because I still have the setup and just explain to you guys what I actually. So, but come. So let me just this AUD JPY. So this is what I said on AUD JPY. AUD JPY currently on a downtrend. We had a short-term bullish trend that has been broken, and there was a break below a support level. A bearish engulfing candlestick would be a strong confirmation to enter a sell. So I'm just gonna go over to the chart and show you guys what I was talking about. So that's AUD JPY, and there you go. It's right there. So this is actually a very good setup, if you ask me, because if I had seen this earlier, I'm pretty sure I was going to take this trade. I would have been there, and yeah, so would have taken the trade if I was looking at the charts when this actually transpired, when this setup actually happened. So, but let me just quickly go over. Oh my goodness. Um, Sorry guys. All right, so I'm sorry, guys. I had a phone call. Quickly had to go attend to a phone call. So as I was saying, okay. So what I actually said there was that AUD JPY was on a bearish trend. We had a mid-term bullish trend which we broke out of, and which was this trend that I've been talking about. We rejected this resistance area, gave us a double top, broke out of structure, came back to retest. So an engulfing candlestick, what I actually meant when I said an engulfing candlestick would be a good confirmation to enter for a sell. So unfortunately, I wasn't on the market when this happened, but this was actually a good entry confirmation for me, which is that engulfing candlestick that I was talking about. So this would be a good entry confirmation for me. Stop loss above that, and target would be down here. However, taking into account these levels, so this is where you're gonna go locking your profit. So this is where you would go lock your profits. But since it's on a weekend and the market is closed, we don't know what to expect when it opens on a Monday. So we'll just see how it's gonna move. We'll just see what's gonna happen. But yeah, this is the idea that I had for AUDJPY, which is still looks good for sales. If you ask me, I think we might still be moving on a downtrend. Might still be looking to sell until this zone down here because we're still on a strong downtrend. So this is the idea for AUDJPY. Let's go over and check out other ideas that I shared. So okay, so we were right here on AUDJPY. So Nas100 is going to be the next idea that I shared. So this is another good trade which I took. I took this one, and let's just look at the results and see how it played out. But yeah, this I had a quick scalp opportunity that I took, which was I got in right. Okay, I'll explain when I go back to the chart. So this is what I said. Nas has rejected a support zone. So this was the support zone that Nas rejected initially before breaking. So it was after this rejection when I said that. So Nas rejected a support zone, giving us a double bottom. So this is a double bottom that I was talking about. These two rejections as one. So that's what I meant. So these two rejections, I'll take them to form one bottom for me, and this is another rejection, which is a double bottom. You can say it's a triple bottom, but because of how it rejected, because of how this price moved, after rejecting here, came back for a second retest and rejected. So I'll take this one as one rejection. So this one also, it was a winning trade that I took. So giving us a double bottom, it is a medium probability setup as it might continue to respect the channel. However, a break above will confirm a break of structure and a strong confirmation for an upward movement. This is what I was talking about. A break above this would be a confirmation for buy, but unfortunately we did not break above. So it was a medium probability trade. So that is why I had to get in and get out very quick, because I understand the behavior of the market. I can see that it's a long term downtrend, as you can see. So you look for quick buys and long term sells when it's moving like this. And yeah, so let me just go ahead to the chart and kind of show you guys what I saw. Alright, so let's go to Nas. And this is the trade. So let me just go ahead and delete that and show you guys where I actually took the trade. Let me just go down to 15 minutes and adjust that just a little bit, just to cater for that touch there. Let me just do that very quick. And so this is where I took it by. Um, I took the buy right there, and because this was a medium probability trade, as soon as I saw that it's fading to break above there, I closed my position because I saw that it was respecting this channel and this level also. So, however, this was still a winning trade and it actually went pretty well. And I think I'm gonna go over to the last one, which is US30. Okay, because this one here I posted, it's a video where I was emphasizing an idea that I had and a setup that I saw. So I think I did not take this trade, but I'll just go over to the chart and show you guys what I saw. So let me just, because here it's just an idea. I don't think I really have to get too much into it because I didn't really take the trade. But the other one that I actually sent out was this one, which is US30. So this is what I said. US30 has been on an uptrend, but structure has been broken, and there was a break below on the midterm support, which is this one, break below midterm support. So then a retest to confirm the break, and now a continuation of a downtrend movement is anticipated. So excuse me. And yeah, so this is how it actually went. This one actually went pretty good too. So it was a good sell. It was a good trade. So I'm just gonna go over to the chart and show you guys the setup. So where's USDT? There you go. So this is USDT. As you guys can see, we had the structure. We had an uptrend which we US30 gold and Nas have been trading like crazy this year. They've been hitting new record highs. So this is a record high for US30. But as you can see, US30 has been going up, respecting this channel, created a new record high. Could fail to break above that high again, gave us a double top, which is a strong confirmation of a reversal, and it just dropped to the downside. On its way, it actually was it was actually breaking these levels that you guys see here. So broke this level, broke structure, broke this level again. So this was a clear confirmation that sells are very strong on this one. So which is why I decided to take the sell. I don't really trade USDT that much, but whenever I do see a good setup, whenever I do see high probability setups, I do take the trades. I focus more on Nasdaq and gold, but USDT I don't focus more on it. So this is break of structure. It broke this channel. Breakout retest. I was in the market unfortunately when the first breakout happened. but this was actually another good, another great sell. This one, but I found it trading at this level when I actually waited, because I saw it created this low, came back and then retested that support, turned into resistance. Actually came back and retested this low multiple times, couldn't break it. That's when I decided, and that's when I saw that this thing is not going to go up anymore, so it's actually telling me that it's going to sell. So as soon as I saw that engulfing candlestick right there, that's where I took my entry. So a first rejection, second rejection, which is a confirmation that this thing is not going to go above this level anymore. So which is why I took this trade. Stop loss above that, and then target was the next major level. So these are some of the trades that I took this week. So you guys can actually go and follow me on trading view. That's my profile, that's my username. Because if you want to get more ideas, if you want to get more of these ideas, I think I'm just gonna keep on posting these ideas on trading view. So yeah, this is actually, you know, the overview of some of the trades that I actually took this week. And quickly I want to go back to GBP AUD and give you guys an update on um the idea that you guys saw, the one that I made a video on for GA. So for now I can see that GA is actually still strong for an uptrend, as you guys can see, still respecting actually. So what I saw was that, okay, there was a break of structure, right? There was a break of structure, and having broken the structure, I came back to retest the zone structure, rejected, and then created some sort of like a zone which it rejected on multiple occasions. So should we be able to break above this comeback retest, then we look for long-term buys. However, should we break below this, we'll be looking to sell this on a long-term basis. However, for now, I can see that this thing is still in a consolidation phase for us intraday traders, because I really focus on trading these movements that happen daily. This is actually a good sell for me, because we rejecting this level and we failing to break above it. This was a confirmed sell for me if I was actually in the market, but unfortunately I was not in the market. I didn't see it, and because today it's a weekend, so the market is closed. So I don't know what's gonna happen when it opens, but this was gonna be a good trade for me. Take that sell right there, and then stop loss just above that. So for now, what you do when the market is kind of in this sort of condition, what you do is you just wait. You just this is where you should be looking to get your quick scalps. You get in here, you take your profit there. You get a rejection there, you take your buy there, and then take your profit there. You get a rejection there, you take your sell there, and then your profit target is right there. Unless if it breaks below, that's when you're going to be looking for sells. You look for a retest there and then look to sell further. So but for now we're just going to wait and see what's going to happen when the markets open. And yeah, so was an overview of the trades, some of the trades that I took. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to like the videos and just go check me out on trading view. So yeah.